बता दिया खरुच।
Assalamualaikum. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were flying hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his
बता दे।
hiding place. At last, the to sky. Met to sky.
Met to
Goodbye.
say.
Met to say goodbye. And lo, a rainbow spanned the sky.